Okay.
Hi YouTube, this is Shyla. This is my, I don't know what number this video is though, but that's King right there. Lauren is my camera.
What's up?
And I'm going to talk about how boring my life is. But first, I show you guys it's a ching-ching. You're wondering why I'm in a bathing suit? It's because I was supposed to go swimming pretty soon, but I decided to make this video really quick. And music. I like music. On the 20th of this month, on August 20th, 2010, it is going to be a treaty day in Anzac. Ow!
Poor King.
And what you call it? King Standard now. But on August 20th, they're having a 3 days in Anzac.
Come check it out.
Fort McKay, Fort McMurray, or Anzac, if you're watching this, go to Anzac on August 20th and watch me perform. For the 3 days competition, it's a singing competition.
What's up, YouTube? I'm boring. Yep.